In this video, I will teach you how to change the Jeep's fuel lock. If you have already tried to unlock with the control and it still doesn't open, you can try the emergency feature inside the trunk. Just remove this cover and put the cord until it unlocks manually. Mine has already broken. The access to remove the locks provided under the fender. You need to remove the wheel. You will need a 17mm wrench to remove the wheel bolt and adapter to remove the safety. After we remove the wheel, we need to remove these 3 Phillips head screws. Also this Phillips head under the mud flap and another Phillips head here. We need to remove these 3 plastic locks. Just pop and remove using scissors. Using a 10mm socket, you remove these 5 plastic bolts. Now you can access the lock. First you need to remove the plug. Just press the little lock and pull the plug. Turn the lock to the left and remove the lock. Now just replace it.